Apple's macOS Tahoe 27.6 release has already served up a leak on new camera-equipped AirPods, but it's apparently showing a lot more than that. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. There are references in the code to products across multiple genres, including home devices, headphones, iPhones, and iPads. Codenames inside Tahoe 27.6 include V62, V63, V64, V67, and V68, likely referring to upcoming iPhone models, namely the iPhone Air 2, iPhone 18 Pro, iPhone 18 Pro Max, iPhone 18, and iPhone Ultra, aka the folding one, which are all expected to be shown off at Apple's usual September iPhone event. Apple's upcoming Home Hub and HomePod Mini may also be making an appearance with the codenames J490 and B525. The Home Hub is rumored to arrive in September with a new operating system called HomeOS and a dashboard that resembles the iPhone standby mode, whereas the HomePod Mini will supposedly support the updated Siri with Apple Intelligence. Along with the AirPods with cameras, we could see two new Beats headphone models and AirPods Pro 4 earbuds. An N109 reference could be a second-generation Vision Pro headset, while a TV Remote 1 could refer to a new Apple TV remote. A J510 code was also spotted that could refer to an upcoming iPad Mini, rumored to have an OLED display and a 19 Pro chip. And finally, there are multiple references to Macs, including MacBook Pro models and an iMac. None of this is unexpected, as rumors for most of these products were already out. However, the references inside macOS Tahoe 27.6 provides credibility to those leaks and give us a better idea of what to expect at Apple's upcoming September event, which should be announced in the near future. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.